there was an article that was published that is mentioned in the Al Jazeera, the UN report, on the 6th of July 2015. It mentioned that every day in India, no less than 7,000 girls are aborted or fetuses have been aborted in the womb or immediately after they are born. Daily 7,000. And if you multiply this by 365, the number of days, you will get no less than 2.5 million fetuses have been aborted in the womb or immediately after the child is born. If female feticide and female infanticide is stopped in India and other countries, the female population, it will outnumber the male population. And according to the CIA, that is the Central Intelligence Agency, they say that in the year 2015, it mentioned that in USA alone, there were no less than 4.8 million females more than males. In New York alone, 0.5 million females more than males. In Germany alone, 1.2 million females more than males. In Bangladesh alone, 4.2 million females more than males. In Russia alone, 10 million females more than males. In the European Union, which consists of 28 countries, 10.2 million females more than males.